Day 2, it is so unbelievably cold. I think I'm gonna like freeze to death at this point.
I look like an egg. That was like the most miserable sleep I reckon I've had in a while. I legit woke up, it would have been like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, and I just didn't know where I was. And I like went to grab my phone to see. And it was just like sinking feeling of realizing and not being able to find the zip in the tent. It was genuinely like I had to take some big breaths there. I reckon I got out of my tent about 5 times, and Jessie slept well by the sounds of things. She was snoring away. Wow, this looks amazing.
I'm literally like, my next thing is going on MasterChef because like, look at this porridge, people. Mountain mama, take me home.
Oh my god.
Country road.
To the place I belong. I feel like Jessie is starting to miss her phone. I'm seeing a lot more selfies.
West Virginia.
I'm seeing a lot more selfies and
Mountain
photos.
Mama.
It's like she needs to be taking photos.
Take me home. I need to be taking photos. Are you serious? Like, what is like life is photos.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Kai.
Oh my god. Right there. Just sitting in there. What?
Oh, they're so cute. How are you?
Hey guys.
So these kids are from St Kilian's Primary School in Bendigo.
Yeah,
Wow.
The school is right on the creek, and they'd like to help teach you how to plant some plants.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I'd love that.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
The purpose of this planting that we're about to do now is to hold this eroding bank together, because without any roots, those big flows of water are washing out from Bendigo and just taking the banks with them. So we want more vegetation on this bank.
Where do we put the rubbish?
We're just planting these more prickly based plants here. We're going to protect the riverbank from falling in due to erosion. But it also provides a bit of a safe spot as well for those smaller animals, like our birds, and smaller habitats to hide in.
I'm gonna be the corner one.
Awesome.
My name being Kai, popular influencer named Kai Sinat. All they were talking about was, are you Kai Sinat? Do you play Fortnite? Do you play Minecraft? All online related activities, which I thought was really funny.
So we just planted some plants with the year 6s, and look at all our little plants. Excited for some more kayaking now. As so we just got back in the water.
Oh my god, I just slipped.
Are you okay? You know what? This is very beautiful. I know the water's a bit muggy, but like, not that bad. Like, it's very peaceful.
Oh my god, how are we getting through this?
I think, like, lie back down. Okay, lying down. Oh! Kai, you gotta lie down.
It is so much more pretty and open here. Although the feeling of mud in my shoes is not the best feeling. It's a lot more open, and I'm eating those words as we come across another huge blockage. Oh my goodness gracious. Thank you. Hey, you on there? Pull. Yep. Pull.
This sucks. Oh my god. What of something hilarious? Kayaking kayaking?
Alright. I'm leaving. This is when we're going into hell. Do we have another blockage? Ow, I'm just getting smacked in the face. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get under that. You're not gonna be able to lift that up.
Lift up the tree.
Yeah, I gotta get down there. So because Jessie's half my height, she can fit under a lot more logs better than I can. So I'm pulling my kayak around and meeting her on the other side. Gosh, this is heavy. Oh, I just slipped in. Oh my God, I went to... This is the clearest patch we're going in. Just the blockages. We dragged our kayak like a good kilometre.
Yuck. Yuck. Yuck, yuck. They're ugly little creatures. How big is that one? Everywhere I walk and see, there's just another spider. I think I just got bit by a spider, honestly. I'm gonna cry. Yeah. I'll do it. Wait, I'll give it. I didn't know I was gonna become a professional kayak carrier. There was a spider. There was a spider. How are you feeling?
Oh, this is the hardest part, I reckon, by far. This has been so hard pulling and paddling. By far, has been so rubbish. And we're just really racing the sun, what's left of the light, to get us to the camp. Hopefully set up camp soon. We just got to find a nice spot.